So see the preparation of dinitrogen. Aqueous ammonium chloride, it reacts with aqueous sodium nitrite and it gives nitrogen, aqueous NaCl and water. Correct? Ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite, they both are in the aqueous form. On heating, it gives nitrogen gas and the byproducts are NaCl and water. This is a lab preparation. The next reaction, ammonium dichromate. How did you get the formula like this? So ammonium, that is +1 charge, correct? Valency is +1. Dichromate, Cr2O7, it is 2-. So crisscross. So ammonium dichromate, on heating it produces nitrogen gas and the byproducts are water and Cr2O3. See the next preparation, barium azide, correct? N3. N3 minus we have seen in the previous video. If you see, barium azide, instead of barium you can also take sodium, correct? Sodium azide or barium azide, on thermal decomposition, decompose means splitting of the elements, it gives barium plus 3N2, nitrogen gas is produced. All the reactions here I have balanced also. So these are the preparations of dinitrogen, and we know that dinitrogen exists as N2 form, right? Diatomic it is. Make a note of this. So let's see the properties of dinitrogen. Dinitrogen, it is colorless, odorless, tasteless and non-toxic, correct? So non-toxic, that is the reason we are filling it in the chips packets. It has low solubility in water because it is a gas. It has two stable isotopes, N14 and N15, and both the isotopes, they are stable. In nitrogen, a triple bond is formed, correct? A triple bond is there. We have seen this, how it is formed. As it is a triple bond, the bond enthalpy is high. More energy is required to break that bond because it is a triple bond. And it is inert, low reactivity. At high temperatures, it combines with some metals. What are the metals? Lithium, magnesium, calcium, etc. Can be any metal, to form ionic nitrides. Okay, remember this point. With the metals it forms ionic nitrides, and with the non-metals it forms covalent nitrides. So make a note of all the 5 points. The next property, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen at 773 K Kelvin temperature and it forms ammonia. The enthalpy of formation is minus 46.1 kilojoules per mole. And the last reaction, nitrogen reacts with oxygen and it forms nitric oxide, balancing the equation, 2 nitric oxide.